Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool washer and electric dryer. And right now I've got this guy filling up. Pretty heavy jeans and towel load in there. I believe it's a extra large capacity. We've gone through, checked everything on this guy to make sure everything works perfectly. Gets a 28-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything. Like I said, it has to work perfect before it gets listed up for sale or before it leaves my care. Then I do this video here with an extra load of laundry. That way you can see as if you were standing here yourself, testing it all out, that everything works good. So you can see it's bringing the water in. This agitator here. Note about the agitators. They're supposed to spin freely in one direction, not back the other direction. So that's how this thing works and agitates. And so if you can stick your hand in your own washer and spin this freely in both directions, this is broken. Little tip I like to throw out there, but you can see this agitator, like brand new. Here we've got the water switch, and it's doing, we can switch it between hot, warm, cold, cold, and warm, warm. And of course, like I said, all that's been checked out and everything works perfect there. So we're gonna let it go ahead and fill up. I'll come back, show you that it agitates, show you that it drains the water out, and then we'll get to see the final spin cycle. It's nice, smooth, and fast for you. I disabled the lid switch for this video, so we don't have to worry about that shutting it down. All right, so we're back, and now I can show you that it's agitating. Nice strong agitator. Now typically, when you get this, take it home, if you were to lift this up here, the lid switch would engage and it would shut it down so that it would not keep operating. It's a nice safety feature. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I disabled it so that we could see everything that's going on under the hood as we're running it here. So we'll come back, show you that the water drains out, let it move through the rinse cycle, and catch that final spin. All right, and we're back. It's draining, spinning, draining the water out right now. Hear it? Doing a really good job. Getting that water out nice and fast. Then from here it's going to fill back up. Well, it'll spin. Then it'll fill back up, move through the rinse cycle, and move into the final spin cycle, which we'll come back for. And I'll show you, like I said, top speed on that spin cycle. Okay, we're back on that final spin cycle. Like I said, I can lift this up. Very fast spin. Now typically you'd open this and it would shut down and completely shut the machine off. But right now you can see that it's spinning super fast. Nice smooth operation, and it sounds great. So we'll let that finish up and move the clothes over to the dryer. Alright guys, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. You see, nice huge capacity dryer, lights on there. We'll just go ahead and set it on time dry, heavy, high heat, and hit go. See, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. I'm gonna let it run here for just a few minutes, and then we'll shoot the temperature gun in there and show you just how hot it's running. Alright, I'm going to give it just a couple minutes here to warm up. Now right in between those two red dots, you'll see it takes its temperature measurement there between the two red dots. So whatever that touch is, you can see it shifts as we shoot it on different things here. So we'll go ahead and open this up right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Now the inside of your dryer is going to get from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have this heat setting at here and here. So we've got it on high to get those clothes nice and dry. We'll let that finish up. We'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, have a great day.